Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. We are now going to start again our live stream for binary option. If you see this now as a recording, probably you did not subscribe to my channel and you did not turn on the bell notification, so you lost this one. But not to worry, I have live stream just like this one, Monday to Friday, same time every single day. So you can join me and trade together with me next time, okay? Also, by then make sure you open with the broker I'm using. You find the link below the video. Also, you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count, okay? Now, for the ones that are coming in live, I will start very soon. I will just prepare everything as always and we will get started. So now let's see. Let's also make sure we log in. There. We are starting a little early today. Only because I do have some appointments a little later, so I needed to start a little earlier, so sorry for that. Typically I start closer to 7:30 my time. Now it's like 8 minutes past 7, so I start a little earlier today. So just be aware of that this is not the regular time I'm typically trading, okay? Now I see a trading opportunity right away at the bottom, so I'm just marking that before I see who is online. And good morning and welcome back, Turnbullers. And Ahmed, I think that's your first time here. I'm pretty sure I also did break your name a little when I did say it, so sorry for that, but welcome also and good morning. So, first trading opportunity we have done here, that is on euro against Australian dollar. I have put my line at 1.633961. Okay. I will do, as always, $100 trades today. I will trade 1 hour today also. I just started a little earlier. And Ahmed, if you do not have this broker from before, it's much more fun to follow. I will be trading for like 1 hour. You find the link pinned in the chat if you want to. There, I'm in by the way. It's more fun to follow when you can just trade with a demo account, for example. It takes you 2 minutes to sign up. So if you do that, it's more fun to follow my live session. Like I said, I will be trading every Monday till Friday on this broker. Looks like we lost our first trade of the day. Of course, it was a downtrend, so it was just a matter of time how long time this support would hold. So this looks to be a little bad start of our live session, but that is completely fine. We are going to take many trades, so I don't dwell too much about this one. So that means we start our day with minus $100. There is official, we lost that trade. Okay, then and I see when I trade non-OTC pairs, I get $2 cash back. When I trade OTC pairs, I get $4. I see that is a different also. So we make more money, but that also makes sense. They make more money with OTC than they do with normal pairs. Okay. Now let's see. I will still, let me see here. Here we have a lot of old lines. Just taking my time to make it correct here. Okay. Okay. The problem is there are no indicator that will fit the style we are using right now. I did have a robot for basically 3 different type of brokers before, but the problem was that I got an invisible blood. Let me do a reload here now and see what happened. I did had some robots before, but the problem indicators do not give a good win rate. So most people that use my robots, they were losing money. So I will not provide any, not at least for this time. I'm not planning to have any robots for binary option. Okay, so no, for now I'm not planning that. I do though have for Forex. There I have a robot that is doing very well, but for binary option, no. Also, if I make a robot again for a binary option, if I manage to make one that is good, the problem I will have that this robot will take over. For my plan is to build up a live session that is good, where I have a lot of people, and if I have a robot that can basically do exactly what I'm doing, I will also have this robot working a little against me, because I like to do live sessions, is what I am passionate about. I think I'm the only YouTuber that actually do daily live session for binary option, and where actually do take any trades. So that's why also if I make a robot, that is not the best for me to do, because then that will make my live sessions go behind, because if you can turn on a robot, why would you turn into my live sessions? So I'm conflicted about it. So I have not tried that much lately to make one either. So now this area might turn into, let's take one there. This area, like I said, might turn into a good resistance. So I did take my chances there. Now let's see. Would be very boring if I got 2 losses in a row here now. Let's see. It looks actually like it. Am I going to get a soul? Of course, no, I'm not fueled with coffee. That is of course a big problem. I started much earlier than normal. Might that be the reason? Now let's see. Come on now, 4 seconds. Come on. Whew. We got it, sweet. But that was too close to comfort. Let's do it. It was actually good. I think I was the only one that take this trade because it was a little too fast. So, but I think would be a high probability anyone. Actually, if you had taken the trade a little after me, you would have won also, actually. But I think here, no, I don't like the setup more. He did go all the way up here. I did not like that. So let's stay away from this one now. Let's find something else so we have a little more time, so everyone can join also. Let's remove this line for confusement. Let's see what we can find here now. Canadian dollar against Swedish. Here we might have something. Let's see. Let's see. I'm looking for areas where. Okay, I want to see this bar here first before I start to mark up something. Blue line is just a marker. That's something I do in my live sessions. When I put a blue line, I do just, that means that this is the area I'm following right now. And when I start trading, actually I will start trading now. I turned this one to a red color. And if I come up to this red color now, I will basically just push down. So now let's see. So we have put that line at 0.678647. Okay, that's the area we are trading right now. Come on now. By the way, tomorrow we will be trading at Discord. I trade at Discord every Saturday now. My plan is that from maybe 23, basically when I'm back here in Brazil again after my trip, I'm planning to start to do live sessions every single, actually 2 times a day, I think. How it will be, if I'll do in YouTube and Discord, or how I'll do this part, I will see. That is not decided yet. How often I'm doing Discord compared with YouTube and this type of things. Hopefully I can find application that is able to turn on the live stream at both places at the same time. That would of course be the best option, but let's see, because my ultimate plan is to build up my Discord server, of course, but let's see if I can find such a application, script or whatever, so I can do that, because right now when I go to Discord I do it through their system. When I do here at YouTube, I do it through OBS Studio. So if I can find a way, because you can't run OBS Studio and another one at the same time, because it will be conflicted, because 2 different applications want to use the camera, right? So that is the biggest problem, because I need to have I feel you show a little better what I can say, honesty, when you can show your face. Than I could have done without face, but I think you need some honesty. I need to show that I am here, that I'm not scared to show myself for trading. So I need to have the camera running also. So I need to figure out if it's something I can do. I know OBS Studio have many. It's no problem to run many places, but I do not have the information to run it on Discord yet. So that's the problem. Welcome, Lawrence, to the live stream. No, we are still waiting up here. Today we have done 2 trades, 1 loser and 1 winner. Once again, today I did take the live stream a little earlier than normal. Typically it's around this time I start to think about starting a live stream. So already we have been 13 minutes live. The reason for that is that I do have some appointments a little later today. A little later, that means very close to now, that I need to attend to. So that's why I needed to go a little earlier so I get the 1 hour trading at least. So now we are ready to go in. If this bar choose, that is very close, I take it. Ooh, I got a terrible entry there. Just I take 1 more up there. I don't typically do that, but the entry was so terrible, so I take 1 more. Now let's see, both are actually out, so I might lose 2 in a row here now. That will be super funny to lose 2, right? So yeah, I don't typically do 2 entries, but this time the first was so terrible, so I needed to take 1 more. If I'm super lucky, I can win both. That would be amazing, but I'm not holding my breath for that part. Now let's see. We are at least in. We need to wait ourselves a little longer for this one. looks actually like we might lose both. That would be terrible. And let's see. We still have some seconds left here now. It's moving like crazy here now. We lost the first, and come on now. Don't give me us 2 losses. We lost both. Okay, in these cases, when this happens, you can see I have a terrible start then. I have 3 losses and 1 win. I have told before, when I have a start like this, just to have a probability to, typically, actually to be quite frank with you, when I have a start like this, if it's not a live stream, I actually stop trading. But as I'm in a live stream, I can't do so, okay? Because I need to give content for my users. So in that case, I have put it into my rules. I change for 200. That is the maximum bid I do, by the way. It's not like I do martingale. 200, I arrested 200, so I have a probability to change the live stream into a profit. So because now basically we have minus 300 for the 3 losses trade and plus 88, so we have $212 in minus this live stream, and you won. Very good for you. Because I did not. So yes, I changed it now for 200, and yeah, let's see how that plays out. At least you're not going to trade this one more. Did not like it. Let's check back here. Okay. Let's check Binance Coin. We are all over the place here also. Let's check Ethereum Classic. I'm not trading this red line. When I come into a new coin, sometimes I have old lines only so now. So give me a little time to fix it. I'm thinking about this region up here. I think probably we can. On a 30-second. I think that could be done. And here is the thing, if you get bars that looks like this, you see bars below, bars above, and all these ugly things, you see, and when you go to the side, you're not following, you see. If this happened with you, just right click and push reset chart view, then you repair it. Say it's nice again. Okay, there's something that you can do to make things look a little nicer. Okay, let's go to regular pairs, even though we are not so successful with it. Or maybe we should take a trade here now on Ethereum Classic. Should I do that? No. Let's go. Here we can see we have a nice trend going downwards. It's not so black. Let's put it a little there and there, so you can see it's respecting perfectly on the spikes. So of course, then we take a down trade based on the trend. Let's see how that will play out. I need a win, so I could get back some of these losses. I do not like to have a so bad start. Now let me see if everything is in order here while we wait this one. Yes, let's go back. Today I really have a bad start. Or maybe I win it. It's moving so crazy again. 10 seconds. I don't feel comfortable. Even though I'm deep in the money, I don't feel comfortable about this trade. Really, I don't do. Let's see. Okay, we got it. Thank God for that. But yeah, normal ended up deep in money. But yeah, I was scared for a little while there. So let's put in 176. That was also one trade I did a little fast. I did not give. It was a perfect entry place in the top, as you see here. So I did not let so many others get the opportunity to take the trade. Will I take more trend trades? Let's see. Now I will not take more trades, I promise. Now I will just figure out where we have the strong support, so you can see if you have still room to trade more. I would say, let's see, around in this region here. So if we drag this line a little more down, we will get something I call a squeeze. I think we still have some room for trading. I will change my 200 now, as we are not so much minus, just 36. Now let's see. So like I said, I changed between 100 and 200, but 200 is my max. Because from a balance I traded very low, so I could have traded more than $1,000, but I had to get too emotional if I do that. So that's why I do not trade with more than that. So I think if we get a perfect entry on the, like there now, we should have gone in. If we get again, I'll do it. You see that you are still respecting, you still have some move there. I mean, oh, let's see. That I hope that was a fake out. Let's wait and see. You're trading Ethereum Classic while we're waiting this one here. Let's take a look at what you're trading there. Whoosh! What is this? Look, this bar. This can't be correct. This is like a crazy bar here. Did it really go all the way down here? I can't believe that it down to $2. No, this must be is it like this for you also? By the way, I'm not going to trade this one. This is completely crazy. Let's go back to our trade here. Yes, looks like we got one more win here now on the line. I will turn this one to blue. I will take a look again if I want to trade more. Let's see. I will need to see if we have space enough to be trading. Start to be more risky here now, because also we have some support here. I don't think I'll trade more on this line, but this trend line did us good. So we got another $88 plus 88. So now we have $52 in profit. I think I will not trade more on this trend line. I will rather now see what will happen. GBP out. Let's take a look at, yeah, that's the one you're, okay, understand. Good. So you're doing quite good then. No, I don't think I'll trade more on this trend line. Start to be too small area we are trading here now. We need to see if we break this support down here and continue downwards. That will give us a little more space again, so we can trade again. But for now, I think we need to stay away from this one. Let's check this one while we're waiting. I think we can draw a trend line here also. Let's see. Old trend line, I will say here. So you see here we broke it, but it came in again. Looks like we are continue respecting our support area. I will say is down there. Let's take a look. We are not trading for now. I'm just marking to see how things looks like. I would say around there. So here's the more the same case that we, let me see, around there. So here also we have a little too small area to be trading. Here I would easily take in a trade because we have recently broken this resistance. So, but yes, can still be, you know what, this is not so bad. Let's do it. Let's take a red. If we go up again now, we take it. Wait, I mean, Was this a mistake? Let's see. I think you have enough space here to move. 3 wins. You're doing good then. Now, let's see here now. In some way this is not so bad. We had now of course he's breaking everything. We had more like a resistant here. Plus we have this trend line pushing it downwards. Let's wait and see. We have still 20-ish seconds. Come on now, give me a win. I know you want to go down. It's too close for comfort, this. Really is. Now finally he's starting to move down, hopefully. 4, 3, that was very close again. I don't think I would like to trade anything more on this one either. It was too close for comfort. And today also we have not had any perfect trades, I feel. It's just trades that you do very fast and too close. We don't get a perfect line. Let's see if we find something easy to trade. These have been too difficult. We are turning profit, but I feel we are taking too difficult trades. Let's see if we can find something easy. Let's check this one we were trading. And if someone is trading here now, I guess you are doing. It's still respecting, it's still room of course, but I don't want to trade. I want to trade something easy now, something that everyone managed to follow. Because I guess many are just following, they don't manage to take the trades I'm doing now. So let's see if we can find something everyone can follow. It's more fun. So now let's see here. We are in upwards. It will be nice to look for a buy trade. Let's see if we can get ourselves in a trade there. Let's turn it with a. I think here could be interesting. We see after it broke up here, we get a good reaction here. So if we can get a trade on 0.911079, I will take a trade down there. Let's see if that is possible. Because overall view is an upward trend. So let's see if we can get a continuation here or a retest of these areas up here. So if we can get down to this region here, yes, I will go in. Let's see how this plays out. Now let's see. We are ready to go in. Okay, we're getting close. I did not take it yet. I was very close to there. I'm in. We got the entry. Now let's see how this plays out. Now we just need to wait 50 seconds and see how this plays out. The entry, I'm happy with the entry. Only if it will break this support, we will lose this trade. Because the entry is that good. So now let's see. Of course, now he's pushing quite hard to go down there. But at least this is a trade everyone will be able to take. Now it would be nice if we could get a strong green bar, because yeah, I feel all the trades we've taken today have been too close to comfort. It would be nice if we could get a strong, nice trade now, with a strong green bar going upwards. Now let's see. One more trade. This was, we lost in the last second, but one more trade, very annoying. I will move my line a little more down. Let's see. We are not getting any clear trades today where we are deep in the money. This one I was lost in the last half second, I guess. So let's remove that. We are just $40 profit today. Let's see, I will take one more trade down there. Let's see. I'm in. We got a decent entry now. Now let's see if this one can go deep in the money. Like I said, we have not had any deep in the money trades till now. Yeah, I think my entry now should be good enough. But yes, it would be nice to get a trade deep in the money today. Let's see. Could you close? This one is deep in the money. This looks much better. First really good trade we did take today. Yeah, this was the first deep in the money. So there we got that one. Then our profit is back up above 100. We have $118 profit. We will continue trading on this green line down here. Perfect. Someone else trading but me and Ethereal? Let me know in the chat. We have now been trading for 31 minutes, so we will trade like 28 more minutes, more or less. So if you're just looking, you can also just open with the link you find in the chat. It's the pinned message. Takes you 2 minutes, and you can follow and trade together with us. Let me know if you do so. Now, I'm still interested down here. Let's wait and see. This one, I was just because a little bad entry. I did not win this one, but like I said, we were in the money just a half of a second before we came out, so they were super unlucky. So it's not about that we are trading bad, it just was a little too bad entry on this one. So we have a quite decent win rate. And also we are collecting this money in my recap video. I'm not sure if I will, the recap video today might come a little later. Later today. No, I will not trade up here yet. I'm just marking, just so you know. Let's make it blue. This, I'm looking if this might be an area we will trade. I will only trade this area if I see we can get a clear refusement like this too. Now we're getting very close to the lower area again, and we are in there. We got a nice entry. Let's see how this plays out. Now we need to wait ourselves for 46 seconds. Let's see how this will play out. Now we are, is moving very fast, but we are still in the money. Now let's see. If we win this one now, we start to move ourselves to a little better profit. Now we are quite deep in the money, but as he's moving so fast, I'm not counting the win yet. And there we got it, 78. Let's put that in the calculator. I will hold a little back now. As he's making lower and lower lows, you should do too. Just wait a little now, because we see this one was low, this one was lower. It's like he's preparing that he was going to break down. So be a little careful right now. Let's just wait and see how this plays out. If you did take a trade here, you're still in the money, of course. But I did not feel comfortable as he did go make a lower. But looks like for the ones that did choose to take a trade here, looks like you might win. Let's see, depending where this bar close. Me personally, I got too scared as he made a lower low here. But yes, looks like everyone that did take this trade also are going to win. Let's see where this bar close first, of course. Looks like everyone that have traded here now, yes, everyone won them. That's good. I was not tough enough to take this trade, but for the ones that did do it, they won. That means I think we can still continue because I did like where he closed it. So if you come down here again, I will take trade there again. Our profit is now 196. Plus this, I have more than 200 basically. But yes, I will try to get a trade a little below my green line. If I can get an entry below, that would be nice. So if you go down, I will wait as long as I can to push the button. Because the delay is very good today. I almost do not have delay when I push the up button. That means I can get a very good entries. Now let's see. I'm ready. Wait, he closed a little low here. Like I said, I was waiting. That is scary for me. Again, I'm scared. I will not take it. Like I said, I was going to wait to see if I could get a better entry. But as he closed on the line, that is a sign for me that he will go downwards. So thanks to that, I will not take a trade there now. Let's see if someone did take a trade, if you're going to win. So it looks like once again, maybe you will win. You took it. Okay, let's see if you're going to win then. I am conflicted. I think he'll go downwards. That is my bet on this one. Let's hope you're lucky. For now, give it a... Right now I give it 50-50 because quite frankly. No, you won it. Amazing. Now I think I need to have my line down there. My line is moved down here now. I did move it to 0, 91, 10, 11. That's where I will take trades now. 6 wins and 2 losses. You're done amazingly good today then. Anyone else are trading? Let me know in the chat. And if you're just looking, it's much more fun if you can trade. You can just open a demo account and follow our trades. You find link pinned in the chat, so you can join. Take you just a couple of minutes to sign up to trade with our demo account. And we are going to be trading more 22 minutes, so at least you will get like 20 minutes to trade together with us. So make sure you do that now. Otherwise, also of course, make sure you like this video. You help me tremendously just by liking this video, so we get some more people into the live stream. I'm in there. Oh, that one did not look good, but let's see. How is our win rate today, by the way? We're taking quite a lot of trades today. We're taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think it's 11 trades. This counter is not working today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 trades today. That is quite a lot. But not the best win rate, I would say. Well, let's see. Yeah, we're losing this one. Oof. Yeah, we lost this one here. Terrible win rate today. Let's see now, from 11 trades, we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winners out of 11 trades. So that is in the low side, I would admit. Yeah. Typically, we make money with 78 also, 78, 80. Our win rate is typically average through my 1.5 year trading. My win rate is around 7 and 8 wins out of 10 trades. The reason I have moved more away from the OTC pairs is because yesterday we had quite a lot of people trading, and we have a tendency to control the market on OTC when we are trading OTC, because then it's broker choosing the winners. Because if we have the higher bid in a direction in OTC, we decide where the market will go, and basically if all of us push down, it will make sure all of us are losing. So that's what you can't. OTC, we get away with OTC for a little while. Maybe today, as I see we have few people live, we maybe could have traded some OTC, but I'm trying to move away so we can keep our win rate, because on non-OTC it's not, we do not decide anything about where the market go. So we are just a small fish in the trading pot when you trade on typically pairs. So even if you have 1,000 people live and all of us trading one direction, we do not decide where the market go. So that means we can keep a win rate. So that's why I'm moving a little away from OTC pairs, because yeah, like I said, today it's few people live, so today we might have good traded some OTC. We can check it. Because as I'm trading just $100 also, it's not, we are not big enough that we might get away with it with the few people here today. But let's see. Do you see a trend here? I think I see a trend. We can go for it. 30 seconds close. Let's see. Now we do have some support here also. A little scared about that. Let's do it. Let's go in there. Let's see how this plays out. This will give him a little idea about how OTC will work today, because I have $100, so let's see. That means someone is trading another direction on this broker right now, because that's how OTC works. And we won that one. Do I trade one more? No, I don't think so. So let's throw in a $98 here. It's too close to comfort. This support line here, I can show you. We have a support line here. I can show you what I was thinking. I also regretted my trade after I did it. I did win it, but you can see here it's too close to the support, and if you did take a trade here now, you might won. But the thing is that we'll get to, there's a big chance here now that he might break up and go upwards. Might go all the way down here again also, but no, this was too small area for me. But at least we got in a win, so I'm happy for that. But I think we go back to normal forex pairs and find good support and resistant line, so it's easy for anyone to take trades. Let's see if we can find something, USD CAD. Let's take a look at that one. Let's zoom in. Here also, we do have a trend going downwards. Let us see where we have the support before I think about it. Might be down there. We do have some space to move. I think I like this area. If I can get in the top of this one, I'll take a trade. Because we do also have, if we take one more line here, we do have a resistance there. So with resistance and trend line, that would be nice. So if you can get in the top of this red line, I will go in. Now let's see. Top of the line, we take a trade. Then we have there. Now let's see. We did have a resistance, and I can mark it so you see better. Now as we're taking the trade, we have here. So we have trend line and we have resistance line. So we have two lines basically pushing the down. So this one should be a winner. Should be a winner. I'm not telling it will be, but let's see. Now we just need to wait ourselves 30 seconds to see how this plays out. Of course, now he's breaking both of them, looks like. I hope it's a fake out. Let's see. I don't feel comfortable yet. 3, 2, and... Wow! I did see when turn 0, I did see it was a green number, but somehow he did a little, so he lost it. And it's not manipulated on this, when it's not OTC, so that was just unluck. So then we got another loser again. We are down to $94 profit. Today our win rate is terrible. We just have maybe like 55% win rate. You won. You are doing good today. What is your win rate today, by the way? Mine, I think, is like 55%. As I'm a little profit. Of course, I can take this cash back I'm earning up here also in the end. But my win rate is just terrible today. Now let's see. I'm going to trade more 10-ish minutes, so we still have some time. Let's see if we can find something beautiful to trade in the end. Let's go back to Binance Coin, take a look there. I will not say I see nothing here. Let's remove this line so there's no confusement. This up here, of course, would have been perfect, but we are not there. We can see that this was a support area, maybe not turn resistance. Can we take a trade here? Probably. We see over here that was also something. So if you come up here again, yes, I'll take it on a 30 minutes, not 30 minutes, but 30 seconds close. 8 of 3. You have done amazingly good today then. No, I think my win rate is, if I lose one now, I'm in minus even. Just a couple of dollars, but still. So my win rate today I think is around 55%, so very low. Typically win rate for me, when I take so many trades as I've done today, I should see around 70 at least. So more in the matter that you have done is where I should be. Now let's see. Let's reset chart. Maybe this area down here is not that bad also. Let's mark it and see. I'm not trading down here yet, just so you know, I'm just marking it. But we see that this area looks to be quite good also. I'm not decided here yet, but we see this was a resistance here. Makes sense that this turns support. Do you know what? Let's go for it. Let's go. think we're taking 12 trades today. Let's see. This counter is not working. It says only 2, but we have taken 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 trades actually. And out of 13 trades, how many have we won? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of 13 trades we have won today. Not good enough. We should have like 10 at least to have a good win rate. Let's see. Now let's see how this will play out. If we can get a winner now, we are at least turning a little better win rate. Currently we are deep in the money here now, but you still need to wait more 10 seconds. I think this will be, see, I can't count too early here now. We did shoot down here now. And we lost. Then I'm actually minus $6 today. This is terrible. I think this is counting about amount of trades. This is maybe one of my worst sessions I had. I need to admit, because we don't typically see so bad win rate with so many trades. That is just crazy. This is a little weird, low win rate. Yes, OTC is manipulated, but the normal ones is not. So, and we can see we have 50% win rate on OTC today, so it's not bad either. So it's just, oof, almost. Yeah, I think I have been quite unlucky today. As many of the trades I've taken I lost in the last seconds, so I have been very unlucky also, I need to admit that. Now if I can win this trade now, I turn profit at least. But not holding my breath because I've been very unlucky today. Let's see, we have around 5 minutes left of the live session, so this will be one of the last trades. Let's see. But we are deep in the money now at least, but we have still 20 seconds to lose the trade. Sadly, that's how it's been today. Let's see. I'm not holding my breath here. I'm trading on both, not to worry, we have one here now by the way, so 78. From 23 I'm going to trade on both, with 2 live sessions, so not to worry. So now with the turns on profit, we are $72 in profit. Let's see if we get one in the bottom also, that would be nice. Got an entry there, not the best, but let's see how it plays out. So yes, the plan from 23 of October, after 23 of October, I will be trading, I will have 2 live sessions, basically, a day. So then you have capability to follow both. Here we're getting another sweet loser, looks like. So getting 1 win and we get 1 loser. Now today the win rate is terrible. Let's see. Ah, yeah. Today is not good. I will need to admit. I think actually, as things are so bad, I have a $28 in minus today. I think we stopped the live session today. Today was a very difficult day to be trading. It's much bad luck because when we trade on non-OTC, it's basically not manipulated. Manipulated is on OTC, so it's not that either. It's just not my day to be trading, so I think it's not a good day to be trading. More or less, I think the win rate for me today is 50-50. As we do not earn 100% on each trade, I'm a little minus. Mine is a minus day of 28. I will not count this as day number 12 in minus, as it's just $28, so I will count this as a 0 day. But still, this was a difficult day. Actually, I will turn profit as I get this cash back. So I will turn a small profit today. So I think we stop there. Let's have a little, and I think internal, I think you should stop also, as I guess you're a little up right now. Let's come back again tomorrow. Tomorrow I will trade at the Discord, so make sure you join me there. And make sure you sign up with the brokers that I use. You find a link below my videos. In any video you find in YouTube, you find my links. So make sure you sign up with my brokers, and we'll be trading some more tomorrow, same time. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow.